Hello, students. Hard things becomes easy only if easy things become simple. Myself, Raj Thakkar, and I'm going to make your chemistry easy and simple. Whenever a student enters into 11th and 12th standard, students start get that feeling that chemistry is very lengthy, too many concepts, lots of exceptions, how to remember so many things. But if your approach is correct for the subject, then the subject becomes easy and you can retain everything in your head. So I'm going to share some easy tricks to make this subject easy and to retain too many things in this tiny head. So let us learn one after the other. So to learn so many tricks, you have to be with me. You have to subscribe the channel. Then only you can connect with me better. So let us go to our 10th standard, first chapter, periodic table. I know many of you have learned elements of the periodic table, first 20, first 30, first 40. But when we are going for the competitive exams like JEE mains, advanced, NEET, or MHT exams, we need to learn the complete periodic table. Yes, I am telling you, complete periodic table means 118 elements. How do we remember this? If you know these elements, atomic numbers, symbol, configuration correctly, then you are winning the competitive exams. So let us begin with a short trick. Today's first trick to learn periodic table elements, their symbol and atomic number. We all know the whole periodic table is divided into S block, P block, D block, and F block. In this video series, I'm going to share a trick to remember the elements of S block and P block. So let's begin. You all know this is the periodic table where group 1 to is S block, group 13 to 18 is P block, group 3 to 12 is D block, and below the periodic table, lanthanides and actinide series, they are F block. So let us go with S block. For S block, group 1, you all know the elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. If you want to learn this element symbol, your mnemonic should be correct. And mnemonic should be such a way it should make you remember the symbol as it is, the way it is given. And my first mnemonic and the first trick to remember the element symbol is Lina ke RBCs Farar. Lina ke RBCs Farar. Where Li stands for lithium, Na stands for sodium, K stands for potassium, RBCs, red blood cells, where RBCs are RBs, rubidium, CS is cesium, Farrar ka FR is francium. Now, if you want to learn the atomic number, the trick is from the first element, that is from the top element of the group 1, you have to add 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. Once again, 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. Let's try for the group 1. So for group 1, 3 plus 8, we all know lithium atomic number is 3. We have learned in 10th standard. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is an atomic number of sodium. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 is an atomic number of potassium, that is K. And 19 plus 18, we added 2 times 8. Now 2 times 18. 19 plus 18 will be 37. 37 plus 18 will be 55. And 55 plus 32, 65, 75, 85 plus 2, 87. So this is how we remember the atomic number. The shortcut is 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 times 32. Again, I am telling you, don't remember the atomic number. Remember the shortcut, the short trick, that is 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 times 32. Let us apply this to group 2. The group 2 is, you all know, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. have to remember these elements along with the symbol. We all have learned this shortcut or this trick, this mnemonic in our 10th standard. And the trick is beta mange car scooter baap razi, where beta ka Be goes for beryllium, mange ka Mg goes for magnesium, car Ca calcium, scooter Sr strontium, baap ka Ba is barium, and razi ka Ra is radium. I told you the shortcut should be such a way, the symbol you should be able to recollect from the shortcut. So this was a very simple one. Let's go with the atomic number. Like you remember, the atomic number shortcut is 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 times 32. So let's begin. Beryllium atomic number, we all know it is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 is an atomic number of calcium. 20 plus 18 is 38. And 38 plus 18 is 56. 56 is an atomic number of barium. And 56 plus 32, 66, 76, 86. Plus 2, 88. 88 is an atomic number of radium. So once again, I'm telling you, don't remember the atomic number. Focus on the trick. That is 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. I hope you are enjoying this. Let's go to the next one. That is P block. Because in S block, we have only group 1, 2. In P block, it starts with group 13. So this is the periodic table. We finished group 1 and 2. And now let's begin with group 13. Group 13, like you know, group 1 valency is +1. Group 2 valency is +2. In the similarly, group 13, you have to catch 3. So the valency is +3. Going for the elements, you know, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. And if I ask you, what is the famous festival of Mumbai? And the answer would be Ganesh festival. We all love Ganpati Bappa. So once again, say it in your mind, Ganpati Bappa Moria. So let's begin with the shortcut of this, because this shortcut goes on very lovable Ganpati Bappa. And the shortcut case, Bal Ganeshan Talav. Yes, Bal Ganeshan Talav. And where Bal ka B goes with boron, Al aluminium, Ganesh ka Ga goes with gallium, and N, that is indium, and Talav ka Tl is thallium. I hope you are liking it. And let's go with atomic number. But in this atomic number, no 2 times 8. For P block, the rule is changed. The trick is changed. Therefore, the P block, it is 1 time 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. Once again, 1 time 8, 2 times 18, 1 time 32. Let us apply to this group. You all know boron atomic number is 5. We have learned in 10th standard. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 is an atomic number of aluminium. 13 plus 18 is 31. 31 is an atomic number of gallium. 31 plus 18 is 49. 49 is for indium. And 49 plus 32, 59, 69, 79, plus 2, 81. 81 is an atomic number of thallium. Okay, so I hope you are liking it. Once again, Bal Ganeshan Talav. That is a way to remember the symbols of group 13 elements. Let's go with the next group, group 14. Group 14, we all have to remember it is 4. So valence is +4 also and -4 also. But for the carbon element, we just write 4 because carbon is only sharing electrons. But after carbon, all are metals or metalloids. So they always donate electrons. So we say it is +4. But what is the symbol? What is the way to remember? What is the trick for it? So you know it's carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. The Latin name of tin is stannum. And lead, that is plumbum. From the stannum, the symbol has come, that is Sn. So many students don't know the symbol of tin because they don't remember the Latin name. So if you want to make it easy, let us go to the trick of it. The trick is chemistry sir gets snowfall in public. What is it? Chemistry sir gets snowfall in public. Chemistry ka C stands for carbon. Sir ka Si stands for silicon. Gets ka Ge stands for germanium. snowfall ka SN stands for tin. That is a way to remember the element. And in public, the public ka PB will be your lead. There is one more shortcut if you like it. That is chemistry sir gets Sankey problems. But sometimes Sankey may you go to the wrong symbol of it. That's why I made it very simple. Chemistry sir gets snowfall in public. Let's go to the atomic number. You remember atomic number? 1 time 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. So let's go. So atomic number of carbon, everybody knows organic chemistry. Carbon is 6 atomic number. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 is an atomic number of silicon. 1 time 8 is done. Now 2 times 18. 14 plus 18, 32. 32 is an atomic number of germanium. 32 plus 18 is 50. Half century. So this is an element which is a very important element for NEET and JEE exams, especially for NEET and JEE exam, because they many a times they ask the atomic number of 10, that is SN. So how do we remember? Half century, that is 50. And going with lead, that 50 plus 32 is 60, 70, 80 plus 2, 82. That is 32. I hope you like it. Chemistry sir gets snowfall in public. Let's go next. That is group 15. 15 may you remember it is 5. 5 are the valence electrons. That is the last shell electrons. So you remember your 10th standard? Everybody, what is your 10th standard telling you? If in the last shell electrons are less than 4, then you will donate electron and you will get plus valency. But if in the last shell you have electrons more than 4, then you will accept that much electrons to make it 8, that is octet. So here it is 5 electrons, which is more than 4. So you will accept 3 electrons to make it 8. Since you are accepting 3 electrons, means the valency will be -3. There are more variable valency for the group 15, but we'll see that in the next video. Today, we will just learn the symbol and the atomic number. You all know for the group 15, it is nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, arsenic, AS, antimony. Ka Latin name is stibium. Stibium say its symbol has come, that is SB, and bismuth, ka BI symbol. Now, how do we remember antimony? Because antimony is also a very important element for the board exam, that is for the 12th board exam. So how do we remember this? The shortcut is नीले पीले आसमान में सब बिंदास घूमो. What is it? नीले पीले आसमान में सब बिंदास घूमो. And this is what we all enjoy. Whenever our exams are over, we are doing this in our life. नीले पीले आसमान में सब बिंदास घूमो. So where नीले का N stands for nitrogen, पीले का P stands for phosphorus, आसमान का AS, arsenic, you got the symbol. सब और सब टीवी, तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, वो वाला सब ने, we all सब, जो वीडियो देख रहे हो और मैं, that is nothing but सब. वो सब का SB is antimony and बिंदास का BI is bismuth. So you learn that is नीले पीले आसमान में सब बिंदास घूमो. Let's go to atomic number. You remember what is atomic number का shortcut? 1 time 8, 2 times 18, 1 time 32. Let's begin. You all know nitrogen is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is an atomic number of phosphorus. 15 plus 18, if we count, it is 33. 33 is an atomic number of arsenic. 33 plus 18 will be 51. 51 is our antimony. The symbol is sub, SB. And 51 plus 32, if you do, 61, 71, 81 plus 2, 83. Again, I am reminding you all, don't remember the atomic number, remember the trick. That is more easy to learn. Going further, group 16, you know 16 ka 6, last shell has 6 electrons, more than 4, so it will accept 2 electrons to make it 8. That's why the valence is -2. So let's go to the elements. It is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. So there are 2-3 shortcuts for this. Whichever you like, you can take it. The first shortcut is old style, say tipo, means marna, tipna. और I would say the more better is old style से तेरी पोयम. आज भी लोगों को जो पुरानी पोयम्स होती है सबको बहुत पसंद आती है. ओल्ड स्टाइल से तेरी पोयम. और एक शॉर्टकट है ओल्ड स्टाइल से टेल पॉलिश. ओल्ड स्टाइल से tail polish. You can ask your mom that how she used to apply the oil into her hair, or you can ask your dad. You will say it's an old version of applying it, but that is a version which everybody loves it because that also massages your head. But not, let's not go to that. Old style say tail polish or old style say teri poem, where old ka O stands for oxygen, style का S stands for sulfur. Say selenium. Tail का TE tellurium. And polish का PO is polonium. If it is a teri poem, old style से teri poem with teri में भी TE tellurium. Poem में भी PO is polonium. So whichever you like, you can take that. Old style से tail polish. Going with the atomic number. Atomic number में you remember 1 time 8, 2 times 18 and 1 time 32. So next go to the atomic number. It is 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is going for the sulfur. 16 plus 18 would be 34. 34 is an atomic number of selenium, that is Se. And 34 plus 18 would be 52. 52 plus 32, 62, 72, 82 plus 2, 84. 84 is an atomic number of polonium. I hope you are enjoying it. I hope you are liking it and you're thinking now it is seems to be easy to learn chemistry. Let's go further. Group 17, 7 valence electrons, last shell, more than 4. It will accept 1 electron to make it 8. So the valency becomes -1. So the elements are, we all have learned this halogen series into our 10th standard: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. And a very old famous shortcut from last 10 years, first class biryani I ate. But the 21st century says it's first class brownie I ate. You all love brownie, even I love brownie if I get it. So first class brownie I ate. So I'm keeping biryani, but you keep brownie in your head. First class brownie I ate, where first ka F is fluorine, class ka Cl is chlorine, brownie ka Br is bromine, and I is iodine, and 8 ka At is astatine. Going with the atomic number, 9 is an atomic number of fluorine. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 time 8, now 2 times 18. 17 plus 18 is 35. 35 plus 18 is 53. And 53 plus 32, 63, 73, 83 plus 2, 85. Okay, so that goes with group 17. And the last, that is group 18. We all know this. That's an inert gas whose valency is 0. We call it zero group elements. We say noble gas. And we all have learned this in 10th standard: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So a lot of shortcuts are there in the market, but I love this shortcut very well because this makes me remember the symbol correctly. And the shortcut is he never argues with kirana wala, xerox wala, ration wala. He never argues with kirana wala, xerox wala, ration wala. And that's true. We all know we never argue with these three people. He never argues with kirana wala, xerox wala, ration wala. He, He, helium, never Ne, neon, argues, Ar, argon, kirana wala, Kr, xerox wala, Xe, and ration wala, it is Rn. But when you go to atomic number, here you will not do 1 time 8. Here you will do 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. Why? Because the helium is in the first period. So we have to take 2 times 8. So let's do 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 is an atomic number of argon. Now 2 times 8, now 2 times 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 is an atomic number of krypton. 36 plus 18 is 54. 54 is an atomic number of xenon. And 54 plus 32 will be 64, 74, 84 plus 2, 86. So again, I'm telling you, remember the trick. Don't remember the atomic number. That will make it easy for you to learn it. And just for your reference, I tell you, I have written all the shortcuts in one line. That group 1 is Leena ke RPCs per hour. Group 2 is Beta Mange car scooter Baprazi. Group 13 is Bal Ganesh in Talav. 14 is Chemistry Sir gets snowfall in public. 15 is Neele Pile Asman mein sab bindas gumo. And 16 is Old Style se Tipo. Old Style se Tail Polish. Old Style se Teri Poem. And 17, first class brownie I ate, not biryani. You can keep biryani, whichever you like it. And 18, he never argues with Kirana wala, Xerox wala, and Ration wala. And for you all, the shortcut for the atomic number for S block and group 18, 2 times 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. For P block group 13 to 17, 1 time 8, 2 times 18, and 1 time 32. And this is something I'm giving you for the D block also, that is 18 plus 32. We all know the coins which we have, that is coin age metals. And this coin age metals is this group 11, copper, silver, gold. If you want to know the atomic number of silver and gold, just add from copper 1 time 18 and 1 time 32. We are going to do this properly in the next video series, so don't worry for that. But today, after watching this series, practice this. If you don't practice, this is just a shortcut which you have learned it in today's lecture, in today's series. But if you practice it, it's my guarantee it will be at the tip of your tongue and you will find that the chemistry is easy. In the next video series, we'll go with the configuration and I'll show you some easy tricks to learn that. So I want you to stay tuned, be on this channel. Thank you, all of you. And I'll be waiting again for you all to come and see the video and make your subject easy. But don't forget to subscribe it, like it, and your liking for the video is going to motivate me. I'm going to come better next time. Thank you. Thanks a lot.